Are you also lifting broad objects and want some help doing that? Boels Rental offers a modular spreader system that can lift your burden. When possible, an object should be lifted from the bottom. Now, this reduces the stress that occurs on the object itself, limiting the chances of collapse. Now, a spreader system is used to redirect the vertical lifting slings to those on the bottom corner points without bringing the stress of the lifting slings onto the object. Lifting from the correct contact points also reduces the risks of tipping, sliding and bending. The capacity of our modular spreader systems ranges from 6 up to 400 tons. Using the modular build-up, the spreader can reach a span of up to 20 meters, with the smallest step being 50 centimeters. So, do you want to lift your object with minimal risk of damage? Contact your local Boels branch or visit boels.com.